All right, traders, it's Team With Erving here. Welcome back, guys. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the UNFAIR Fibonacci trading strategy, guys. On this Fibonacci trading strategy, guys, you're gonna learn a lot of information. So bear with me. This is the pair that I'm gonna go over today. I'm gonna show you what Euro GBP is gonna do. I'm gonna show you exactly all the steps and why the market is going to perform the way that I'm gonna show you. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be GBP JPY. Pay close attention. I don't want to show you real data yet, but I'm gonna show you some amazing Fibonacci trading strategy that you will be amazed. Another amazing pair that I'm gonna show you guys is going to be Euro USD. Pay close attention, guys. The way I'm gonna show you this Fibonacci trading strategy is going to change the way you look at the market. And another pair that a lot of traders trade around the world, guys, is going to be gold. So I'm not gonna show you right now exactly what the real data is doing, but bear with me, guys. I was on vacation, guys. I took 2 weeks off and it was amazing. So I'm back into the city for another 2 more weeks. Then I will be taking off another 2 more weeks on the month of July. So I will be traveling to Colombia. So Colombia is going to be the next stop. Then on August, I'm gonna be taking another trip that I'm gonna go and visit a couple countries in Central America. So I'm super excited, guys. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys the very first pair of the day, and that is going to be Euro GBP. Boom! Pay close attention to what I'm gonna show you. This is the that's what I'm naming this, guys, the UNFAIR Fibonacci trading strategy, because you need to know what is the key levels of retracement on the Fibonacci trading strategy. But the first thing that we all gonna be paying attention, guys, what I think is very important for anyone that is watching our video, guys, is going to be our dashboard. This is gonna be your very first thing that you're gonna be looking at the market. And another thing that you need to pay attention, which is very important, is always pay attention what the larger time frame is doing. Always pay attention. I love to pay attention to the 4 hours daily or either weekly. But if you guys pay attention here on Euro GBP is already giving us the answer what the market is doing. It's telling us the market here, it is going only in one direction, and it's telling us that we are going bullish. That's all we know. Look, this is your cheat sheet. That now we're gonna use the Fibonacci trading strategy so it can help us make a very accurate entry on our trade, guys. And remember one thing, guys, we are trading the week of July 3rd to the 7th. Remember, on Tuesday is going to be July 4th, and we are gonna be taking off the market. So basically here in United States, the market will be closed. Okay, so don't expect to be trading. You're gonna see a lot of slowness on the market, so stay away if you don't want to trade. But anyway, it's a federal holiday in America. All right, so now that I just show you what the market is gonna do, guys, it's very important for you to know how to trade the market more accurately, right? So now this is what we're gonna do here, because it's very important for everyone here to understand where we are gonna be heading on the market. So now that you know the 4 hours daily is giving us a what? It's giving us a buy position, right? So now we're gonna go to real data, real time, and that's what matters. Look at here. Look at here. Remember, right? Let me draw a box, guys, because I think it's very important for you to understand what is the 4 hours and daily doing, because I don't want you to forget. Look at here, 4 hours daily, weekly, and all the way to 1 minute. Everyone is going in one direction only, and that it is bullish. So the key levels on the Fibonacci, guys, is going to be the 38, the 50, and the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Pay close attention what the multiple time frame is doing here. So what we need to pay attention is the dashboard. The next thing we need to pay attention is what is our multiple time frame doing. The next thing that we're gonna be paying attention is what is our TWE sniper entry doing. The last thing that we're gonna pay attention is what is our white arrow multiple time frame doing. Pay close attention to the to the steers, guys. The steer in this trade here is only showing us the market here is only going in one direction, and it's telling us that we are going bullish. That's exactly what you saw on the 4 hours and daily time frame. So we need to be trading with the trend, not against the trend. This is my opinion for this coming week, guys. Market is still gonna be moving. It already retested your 23.6 Fibonacci level, and it's gonna go back and retrace this previous multiple time frame one more time, and then it's gonna make us more retracement, and from there, boom, market will continue going bullish. Don't forget, market here is bullish. Dashboard is letting us know that we are bullish. Look at the real trend. The real trend is also letting us know that we are going only in one direction, only, and that it is bullish. So overall, Euro GBP, it is bullish. Another pair that I'm gonna show you today, guys, is going to be GBP JPY. Boom! I don't want to show you the real data yet. I want you to learn, guys. Take your time. We're not in a race. We're here to learn together. That's why this Fibonacci trading strategy is gonna be the best video you're gonna ever see in this market. All right, so now that you know how to read the Fibonacci level, now I want you to do it yourself. Pay close attention. What is the history behind our dashboard? What is your 4 hours and daily time frame letting us know? Look at here. Boom. Look at the weekly. Everything is telling us the market is going where? It's going up. That's all you know. That's all you know. Look, I haven't shown you the real data yet because I want you to learn, guys. I really want everyone here to learn how to read the Fibonacci trading strategy. All right. Now that we know the market is bullish, what we're gonna do next, guys, is we're gonna move to reality, real data, real time. Look at this one. Look at the, let me shrink the candle a little bit because there will be a lot of traders say, Erving, you're wrong. The market is doing this and this and this and that. Well, let me teach you, because that's why you're here for, guys. This information that I'm giving you guys, there's a lot of people that they're gonna charge you hundreds of dollars. So if you are finding value, guys, so far, make sure you hit the bell notification below. Let me know if I'm making a mistake or you want to see a different video that you are not seeing today. But overall, make sure you do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, support the channel, and so forth. Look at what the 4 hours daily and weekly letting us know here. It's telling us, hey Erving, wait a minute, what are you doing, Erving? Market is going bullish. Look at here. Now you're here with me. Now we're looking this live. Look at here, multiple time frames saying what? We are in a buy position. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, it's telling us that we are in a buy position. Guys, one thing that you need to remember here is when the multiple time frame with the dashboard, this is the sniper entry, right? The sniper entry will tell you Team With Erving is in a buy position, right? So you will be getting this buy trend. The stairs here, look at here, the stairs has not given us any signal the market is looking for a sell yet. When it's selling, it will turn the steer in red, just exactly as you see in here. But the market here has been bullish since when? Since May, guys, and we are already in July. So the market here has been bullish for 2 freaking months. So this is my opinion for this pair, guys. Market is still gonna come back, retest this previous multiple time frame one more time, and it's gonna make us more retracement. Then the market will be making another buy position. Overall, the market here is in a buy position, but this is what I want you to know here, because it's very important. I don't think no one is gonna tell you. Let me put the candle back to normal so you can see it, so you won't get confused. So let me go ahead. This is the way I want it. I want you to see the market. Look at here. This is something that most likely some of you are seeing and not noticing it. Look at here. Here's the head, guys. There's a head coming up in there. Another thing that I'm seeing here, the market is gonna perform, guys. Here is a shoulder. Market will be creating a shoulder number 2 before the huge drop will be performing in the month of July. That's what I'm saying. The market is still going up. Okay, so but overall, what we're looking for here, guys, is a continuation of the buy trend that GBP JPY is doing. So guys, what do you guys think about this unfair Fibonacci trading strategy, guys. This Fibonacci retracement and so forth, guys. Make sure, guys, you support the channel, guys. I'm giving you the best of the best. And if you don't know how to trade on the Fibonacci, please let me know. I can help you. I can help anybody. Or if you need help on trading strategy, also let me know. This Forex trading, guys, is the best business you're gonna ever enter if you are looking to learn how to trade with the market. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Look at what the dashboard is telling you here, guys. Look at the story. Can someone type in the comment and let me know what is the dashboard doing? Look, the dashboard is giving you the answer, guys. I'm not giving you any real data yet. Look at that. What do you guys think it's doing? What do you guys think? Look, the answer is there, guys. Let me now make a circle. Let me make a box of it. Look at that. Boom. Selling. When the market is selling, this is what you're gonna be doing, guys. You're gonna be looking for the multiple time frame with the stairs coming down. That's what we're looking for on this trend here. We're looking for the market coming down. When the market is going up, you're gonna be getting this green stair showing us the trend here was going up, now it's coming down. Now that you know the dashboard is telling us that we are selling, we're gonna go ahead and move to reality, real data, real time, because it's time to talk this language here. Look at here, this is brand new, guys. The month of July, the market will be on fire, guys. Remember, guys, I will be taking another 2 more weeks of vacation on mid of July, so bear with me. I have worked so hard this year so far, and I deserve some time off. But now that we know here, going back to Euro USD, the market here is selling. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a circle. You know what? Let me do it a different way. What should actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and make a box so you will not forget. Look at here. Boom, selling, right? The next thing that you're gonna be paying attention is to the multiple time frame. Look at here, multiple time frame is saying what? It's saying that we are selling. Look at the TWE sniper entry. Boom, it's selling. Look at the stairs, guys. The stairs just formed. So we're gonna be getting a whole rack of stairs coming down and letting us know the market here, it is selling. So now let me break it down for you, because you here for that, only for that. This is what I'm seeing here. Market will come down, retest your 50 Fibonacci level. Here's previous multiple time frame in here. Market is gonna make a small retracement, coming back and retest this previous multiple time frame Fibonacci level, which is gonna be your level 61.8, which is a very key level on the Fibonacci trading strategy. And then from there, boom, market will be dropping. Don't forget, look at here, sell, and sell. So the market Euro USD is only going in one direction, guys, and that it is selling. All right, that's all I'm seeing on Euro USD. If you are seeing something else that I'm not seeing, I would like to know, because in this video we show you the Team With Erving advanced Fibonacci retracement trading strategy. Fibonacci is used, guys, by many traders, but is often used incorrectly. We combine all the concept from our past videos, so make sure you all watch all videos to get caught up if you want to learn how to trade the multiple time frame system. All right, so any question, guys, please let me know in the comment below. Guys, support the channel, guys. If you are finding value so far, make sure you support the channel, because it is very important. All right, so one of the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be gold. Pay close attention. Boom, guys, take your time, look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer. It's giving you the answer. I will break down the real data, because that's what you need to know, right? But look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying, guys? Look at it. Let me go back to reality, real candle, so we all can be in the same page. Let me shrink everything so no one can say here, no, Erving, you're wrong, the market is not selling. But I'm gonna do it for you, because I want you to succeed on this business. I don't care about all the people that are not willing to learn. But look at here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer. It told you, hey, I'm in a sell position. If anyone is telling you the goal is in a buy position, good luck. But I'm gonna show you why it's good time to look for opportunity to going up. But look at here, multiple time frame is selling. Look at the TW sniper entry, selling. Look at the stairs, sell, 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 sell. We never ever have any indication the market was going up. Market was only selling since when? Look at here, market be selling since May, guys, and we are already in July. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. This is why you need to be learning the Fibonacci trading strategy. That's what I titled this week, guys. The unfair Fibonacci trading strategy, because it's very unfair, guys. A lot of you guys really need help. All right. So hopefully, guys, this Fibonacci retracement is explained how to look for better entry and so forth. Now that we know what's going on, guys, I'm gonna put the candles back to normal, and I'm gonna show you why the market is giving us an opportunity to look for a buy position. Look at first thing first, guys. This is me, guys, giving you a opinion of what the market is gonna do. But what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame is here. Hey, telling me Erving, market is in a buy position. Even the Fibonacci is all the RSI is also confirming that we are in a buy position. So so far we are in a good position. Then here's the movement, guys. Look at the lower time frame, guys. If you like to trade on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 5 minute, you are in the right spot. So overall here, market is making this is called a pullback. So pullback going in a buy position. So market was gonna go all the way to your 23 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Look at here, previous multiple time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple touches in here. So this level here on the Fibonacci is very key level, 23.6. Market will make a small retracement, retesting this previous multiple time frame and multiple touches in here. Then from there, market will continue on that buy trend. So overall, all I can think, guys, is the goal is doing a pullback. Be careful if you don't know how to trade, but the trend, the original trend, still selling. Okay, so guys, which of these pairs are you gonna be trading? Look, I gave you gold. I'm telling you, gold is gonna be an amazing trading pair. I'll also give you Euro USD. Euro USD is gonna give you an amazing sell position. GBP, I told you, GBP is still in a buy trend, but it's gonna retrace back as a sell position. Right now, it's still bullish. Look, I give you Euro GBP. I told you the Euro GBP is still going up, still going bullish. So it's very strong for this week to continue that trend. All right, guys, if you did find value, make sure you support the channel. It's very important for us to make amazing video. And bear with me, guys, I will be taking 2 more weeks the next week, going to Colombia. If my Colombian people are here, I'm going to Bogota, and then we're gonna go to San Andres, which is a amazing private island. All right, guys, so I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless the United States, and God bless your family, and God bless the world as well. So stay safe, and I will see you guys back on our next episode. Let's go. Let's trade with 10 with Erving. Boom.